doubt, you may be asked. I have sent the NCRT solution of your chapter 5 of geography water. So water to related, if you have any doubt, you may be asked. Later on, we'll proceed to the chapter 4 history.
No, sir, no doubt.
Mughal ruler. Mughal ruler. So today we are going to start the new chapter, Mughals. Who are the Mughals? So for a Mughal, a simple formula how to we learn Mughals. Right? B Badshah, like in this form, BHAJSA, Badshah. So you can learn through this term. Okay? Up B for Babur, Babu. B for Babu, H for Humayun, H for Humayun, A for Akbar, J for Jagir, S for Shahjahan, or A for Aurangzeb. So this is the Mughal rulers dynasty who ruled first Babur, later on who ruled son of Babur Humayun, later on son of Humayun Akbar ruled. Okay, Akbar became a ruler. After death of Akbar, Jahangir became a ruler, and after death of Jahangir, his son Shahjahan became a ruler, or after death of the Shahjahan, Aurangzeb became a ruler. So this was the Mughal dynasty who ruled all India, and he was the last powerful ruler. And Bahadur Shah Jafar also part of Mughal dynasty, but till he was the last powerful ruler. क्योंकि जब बहादुर शाह जफर व्हेन ही वाज रूलिंग ना बहादुर शाह जफर तो उस समय ब्रिटिश रूल आ गया था बेटा तो ही वाज जस्ट ए पपेट मान लियो पपेट जैसे कठपुतली होती है ना ही वाज जस्ट लाइक ए पपेट ही फॉलो द orders given by the Britishers, Bahadur Shah Jafar. So till last time was the powerful ruler in Mughal. These are the rulers we'll study in this chapter. So again you can learn in this form Badshah. Babur before Babur, H for Humayun, A for Aurangzeb, J for Jahangir, S for Shahjahan, A for Aurangzeb. So up first we'll discuss in this chapter who were the Mughals? Yeah, who were the Mughal rulers? ये मुगल कौन थे? They were Indian or they were outers or foreigners, परदेसी, अजनबी. तो who were they? Mughals were Indians or who? तो in this chapter we will discuss who are the Mughals. हम discuss करेंगे पहले मुगल कौन थे? Who are the Mughals? Okay. So everyone we belong from the two sides. जैसे मैं हूँ, suppose as please mute your mic. Okay. So as a for example like us all belong from the two sides. मैं हूँ anyone person belong from already two sides. One side from father side or one mother side. जैसे one you belong from your father side is father family, another one is your mother family. Okay, so already we belong from the two side, father side or mother side. Suppose which family your mother belong, which background, in which areas, like so complete detail of your mother family or entire detail of your father family. So everyone belong from two side, mother and father. So like a Akbar, ये भी ऐसे टू साइड से बिलोंग करते थे वन साइड मदर साइड एंड फादर साइड ओके तो दे आल्सो बिलोंग फ्रॉम द मदर एंड फादर साइड तो वन साइड दे बिलोंग फ्रॉम द Genghis Khan और इसको हम हिंदी में बहुत बार प्रोनाउंसिएशन चंगेज खान भी बोलते हैं। तो वन साइड दे बिलोंग फ्रॉम द जेनिस खान और मदर साइड दे बिलोंग फ्रॉम द तैमूर। तो मदर साइड दे बिलोंग फ्रॉम द तैमूर। जस्ट वेट। So mother side they belong from the Temur and father side from Genghis Khan. He was an Afghan ruler. और एक टर्की फ्रॉम चाइना, चाइना मंगोलिया, जो मंगोलिया है चाइना में मंगोलिया, टर्की, मंगोलिया, ये बिलोंग फ्रॉम मदर साइड फ्रॉम द तैमूर फैमिली लाइक दिस। तो ऐसे मुगल्स बिलोंग फ्रॉम द टू साइड। अब क्वेश्चन आता है कि वो अपने किसको अपना फॉलोअर्स मानते हैं, मीन्स मदर साइड और फादर साइड। ओके, तो यू नो जेनिस खान इमेज वाज नॉट अ गुड अर्लियर टाइम। ही वाज द प्लंडर, जैसा लुटेरा, मर्डर और इस टाइप से बहुत क्रिमिनल इमेज थी क्योंकि जेनिस खान फादर साइड से अफगानिस्तान से जो बिलोंग करते थे। तो नॉट अ गुड इमेज इन हिस्ट्री। तो ये belong from the father side, जो मुगल थे they belong from father side और there was not a good image like a murder, plunder, लुटेरा, इस टाइप के इमेज थे इसका। और तैमूर मदर साइड एक अच्छी इमेज। एंड यू नो तैमूर वाज द रूलर who ruled on Delhi and captured the Delhi during 1398। ये वो रूलर थे जिन्होंने दिल्ली पे रूल किया था 1398। 1398 में दिल्ली को कैप्चर किया था। तो एक ऐसी, आप कभी भी आपसे पूछा जाएगा कि फ्रॉम विच साइड यू बिलोंग, तो अपनी डिटेल किसको मानना पसंद करेंगे, जिसकी एक अच्छी इमेज है, गुड इमेज। कैप्चर द दिल्ली, एक बहुत बड़े कंट्री की कैपिटल को कैप्चर किया दिल्ली को तैमूर। तो दे मुगल दे वर सक्सीडर्स ऑफ द मदर साइड। ये अपने आप की जो आइडेंटिटी बताते ना, वो मदर साइड से बताते थे कि वी आर सक्सीडर ऑफ द तैमूर्स। हम किसके फॉलोअर्स सक्सीडर है, तैमूर्स। तो दैट्स व्हाई फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ जो आपकी बुक में कि मुगल्स दे वर बिलोंग फ्रॉम फादर और मदर साइड। तो दे वर बिलोंग फ्रॉम द मदर साइड, दे वर एग्री टू बिलोंग फ्रॉम द मदर साइड। सक्सीडर ऑफ तैमूर्स मानते थे अपने आप को। व्हाई? Because Temmuz was captured the Delhi during 1398 or that was the a great or that was the proud for them। ये बहुत बड़ी चीज थी मुगल्स के लिए। तो they were successor of that side मुगल्स। तो फर्स्ट कंसेप्ट जो फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ है कि who were the Mughals is your clear or not clear कि मुगल कौन थे, ये पॉइंट। अब लेट Please, I am giving the 1 or 2 minutes or
Sir,
we'll start the, चलो okay, just wait।
sir,
Yeah,
so there is written from the mother side or descendants of Genghis.
please can you send your message with your voice, doesn't matter, I will check क्योंकि बुक अभी है नहीं मेरे पास। ओके चलो we'll check it, कोई इशू नहीं, we'll check it। तो फादर खान और तो it is what is written in your book dear? चलो okay, I am checking।
It is written that from their mother side
मदर साइड चंगेज खान।
they were Genghis Khan.
Sir, it is written that from their mother's side they were descendants of Genghis Khan and the Mongol ruler who ruled over the parts of China and Central Asia. And it is written that from their father's side they were successors of Timur.
अच्छा ओके, और मदर साइड, चलो आई विल चेक। चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट द मुगल कैंपेन। मैं बुक चेक करके आ रहा हूँ, जस्ट वेट। So you know what were the major campaign of the Mughal rulers in this chapter where they attained famous war of the Mughal like the Babur. Is such type of detail given in your book? Such type of pages are given in your book.
Yes,
So
sir.
we'll discuss about the detail of the Mughal emperors in this chapter, or later on we'll discuss about how their relation with the other rulers, कि उनके दूसरे रूलर्स के साथ कैसे रिलेशन थे. सपोज जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल रिलेशन विद एनी रूलर, क्या एजिड रिलेशन विद द अकबर रूलर, क्या अकबर के साथ भी उनके वैसे रिलेशन थे. तो विल डिस्कस. जैसे वन रूलर नेम इज गिवन, दैट इज द Safavid ruler name is given in your book. So there is the different relation with the Mughal ruler. जैसे father के साथ friend, friendship वाले relationship, but just a reverse relationship with the Akbar. So we'll discuss the relation of the Mughal rulers. कि what type of relation with the other rulers. Okay. Later on we'll discuss about the Mansabdar and Jagirs. कि what do you mean by the Mansabdar and Jagirs. I hope Jagirs को we have discussed earlier ना. Jagir word. Chapter 3. I was given the complete detail on the Jagir. Suppose this is known as the garrison town. Okay. Or between that area or again a garrison town. So that area known as the property of Jagir. Jagir means those person who maintain the army or provide the service to the rulers. So this is the Jagir for that. Means that area is the Jagir property land. That is known as the Jagir. Or through the Jagir they will provide the salary to the soldiers. ये soldiers के लिए Jagir से क्या करते थे? Salary provide करते थे. So in this chapter we will discuss about the Mansabdar. Mansab means the position. जैसे मुगल रूलर्स में जो जितनी सर्विस प्रोवाइड करता था, लाइक जो पोजीशन होती थी उसकी रैंक होती थी, रैंक. तो विल डिस्कस इन दिस अबाउट द मनसबदार रैंक पोजीशन की रैंक, दिस टाइप ऑफ मनसाब, दिस टाइप ऑफ मनसाब, मनसबदार और रैंक. तो दिस आर द टॉपिक विल डिस्कस इन दिस चैप्टर अबाउट द जागीर, हाउ दे एलोकेट द जागीर. जैसे जयपुर रूलर्स, how their relation with the other rulers. तो जयपुर रूलर्स के साथ कैसे रिलेशन थे मुगल्स के. they also marry with them and their families. or what type of relation, healthy relation with the Jaipur ruler. So they were given the Jagirs of the MP, Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior or like this to the Jaipur rulers. So such type of story we will discuss in this chapter. Next topic, one is the Jab and Zamindar. So those person who had the land, they known as the Zamindar. हम नेक्स्ट टॉपिक डिस्कस करेंगे कि हु आर द जमींदार. Their introduction is going on. Chapter start नहीं हुआ है. We are discussing कि what are the main point we will discuss in this chapter. So I am giving the introduction of chapter only. Okay. I am not explaining the point. ऐसा मत लगना आपको कि वो explain हो गया next हो गया. Okay. जमींदार. तो those person who hold the land. जो land रखता था जमीन. जमीन is the Hindi word. जमींदार. Who person who hold the land. That known as the landlords. Landlords है, money lenders है. Those are known as the landlords. Those person known as the जमींदार. तो हर एरिया में डिफरेंट जमींदार होते थे. उनको मुगल से allotted the land and they take the revenue from that land. उसी से revenue लेते थे and they provide the service to their soldiers. So we will discuss in this about the zamindar and jab. What is the jab? Is the land. No, jab is the land part. Later on we will discuss Akbar policies. Akbar, how he make the policies. In Mughal rulers, there is no such detail given. But जो best architectures ruler है ना बेटा, those period is known as the golden period for Mughal rulers. Architectural period के according जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा infrastructure construct हुआ हो, That period was the Shaja. वो period था Shaja rulers का, जिसको golden period कहा जाता है. And who was the best ruler of Mughal dynasty? Akbar was the best ruler of Mughal dynasty. Why? We'll discuss in this chapter about the different policies of the Mughal Akbars, how to merge the all religions, maintain the good healthy relation with the all religions, give the importance to the other religions. उसने कैसे अपने आप को प्रमोट किया. You know there were the 9 जो उसके रत्न और ये हुआ करते थे. Also he followed the policies of particular. He concerned with his cabinet or maybe the ministers. उनके minister और उनसे भी consult करके discussion होते थे. There were many Hindu supporters during their period. कितने Hindu supporters थे? Birbal like this. There were many famous supporters during the Mughal Akbar. So in this chapter we will discuss about. अब last topic we will discuss in this chapter, that is the Mughal Empire and during the 17th century and after. So what was the position of Mughal rulers during the 17th century and after? इस 17th century को आगे थे when British period start. So what was the position? They were weak or strong? If they were weak, so what were the causes? क्या रीजन थे? वीकनेस के पीछे. तो in this chapter we'll discuss the policies of the Aurangzeb. So Aurangzeb has a not good healthy relation with the Jat, Maratha and Sikhs. तो इन तीनों कम्युनिटी के साथ मुगल जो औरंगजेब के उनके अच्छे हेल्थी रिलेशन थे विद द जाट. तो देयर वाज द फेमस रूलर सूरजमल जाट फ्रॉम द भरतपुर. With the Marathas, not a good healthy relation with the Shivaji or their followers. Okay. Sikh community, there were 2 religious teachers were killed by the Mughal rulers. Sikh community के 2 famous जो religious teachers थे, जैसे 10 टीचर हुआ करते थे, 10 गुरु होते हैं उनमें सिख कम्युनिटी में. तो as like एक बहादुर और there were 2 religious rulers were killed by Mughals. So he has not a good healthy relation with them. तो what happens जब आपके किसी के हेल्थी रिलेशन नहीं होते, तो when you feel weakness, जब आप वीक होते हो थोड़ा बहुत during your kingdom, तो there may be attack on that. इन्होंने अटैक करना स्टार्ट किया. They declare himself as the independent. इन्होंने अपने आप को independent declare कर दिया. So this was the entire story we'll discuss in this chapter. So this was the detail of chapter we will discuss in this story. और जो first point to related जो today जो भी आपको doubt है, doesn't matter, I will clear it. मैं उसको देख लूँगा और I will check. Maybe possible I am not using the your NCERT book, or we are going through the CBSE sites. So it may be possible there is a confusion on that. So I will check, doesn't matter. Or tomorrow onward, dear, we will start this chapter. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. So tomorrow we will continue this chapter. Okay? We have enough time. Doesn't matter.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.